everyone 5 and older can get one. So this is a moment we've all been waiting for.
Find updated COVID vaccines at vaccines.gov. We can do this. Paid for by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. Its powerful technology actively finds and invites qualified candidates to apply to your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free.
Jackson!
Yes, sir.
In my office!
Yes, sir.
Explain this.
S&G Carpet?
Mhm.
Oh, S&G Carpet sells carpet, waterproof core, hardwood, and laminate.
Yeah, I mean this.
Tax holiday sale?
We're tax collectors, Jackson.
Yes, sir.
That's impossible.
It's not, sir.
What?
This month during S&G's tax holiday sale, they'll give you 20% off select flooring.
They will?
And pay the sales tax.
That's illegal.
No, it's not, sir.
It's not?
No.
Oh. Well, then make it a state holiday.
Sir, S&G's tax holiday sale just means S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring, even Karastan.
The country?
Karastan makes luxury flooring, sir.
Oh. Well, how do they get
I'll be in my office.
That's a big country.
Not a country.
During November's tax holiday sale, S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring, even Karastan. Plus, get their no surprise guarantee and promise to beat any written estimate by 10%.
S&G more than carpet.
Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you. Now offering tile and carpet cleaning.
Do you suffer from any type of chronic neck or back pain? Whether it's a bulging or herniated disc, sciatica, spinal stenosis, or even bone-on-bone arthritis. You've probably tried most doctors and get little relief, or are told dangerous medications and surgeries are your only option. Dr. John Filippini, the Danville Disc Doctor, has more options for your treatment than ever before. With state-of-the-art equipment and an integrative medical office, you can have 80 to 100% relief within a few treatments to a couple of months. Dr. Filippini has helped thousands of patients, but he's never seen such great results as he has in the last couple of years. This is due to individualized treatment programs that fit each patient's needs and budget. Depending on the treatment, insurance may cover some or even all of your program. Call Dr. Filippini at 925-999-4067 to get in on his $39 exam special, or visit DanvilleDiscDoctor.com for more information. That's 925-999-4067 or DanvilleDiscDoctor.com.
Now here's something you don't hear much about guys on the radio anymore. He's live, he's unscripted, he's unrehearsed. He's Greg O'Donnell, and he's your personal financial advisor. Greg's not